Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of science from Albion Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, today I am here with a remaining part of chapter number 4, Wild Animals, from your science book. Our today's topic is eating habits of animals. So my dear students, before starting this topic, let's have a quick overview on our previous topics. So students, in our previous video, you learn about wild animals. So students, animals that live in the forest are called wild animals. They are not tamed by us and they are very dangerous, so because they live in forest, or we call as jungle. For example, tiger, lion, leopard, elephant, these are the example of wild animals. And our next topic was homes of wild animals. So students, in this topic you learn about wild animals live in some wild animals live in natural shelter like cave, while some live on land, tree and in water. Some animals make their own homes to live in, while some do not. Animals such as a deer and giraffe roam in the forest. Now students, I am going to give some example of animals with their kind of place they live in. So students, animal like lion, deer, elephant live on land. Monkey, birds and squirrel live on trees. Fish, octopus and seahorse lives in water. Now students, some animals live on both land and water. An example of such type of animals are frog, crocodile and tortoise. And few animals live in holes. They are earthworm, snake and rabbit. So students, this was the topic that I explained in your previous video. Now students, let's move on to our next topic or today's topic, that is eating habits. So let's read this. Different animals have different eating habits. Animals such as giraffes, elephants, rhinoceros and zebras eat only plants. So students, there are different kinds of animals around our world. So students, different animals have different eating habits. Animals such as giraffes and elephants, rhinoceros and zebras eat only plants, and such type of animals are called herbivores. So students, what are herbivores? Animals like giraffe, elephant, rhinoceros, zebras, cow, deer and rabbit eat only plants product. So this type of animals are called herbivores. Now next one, animals such as lions and tigers kill other animals and eat their flesh. So students, animals like lions, tiger, leopard eat only flesh of other animals and they are called carnivores. So students, those animals who eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Now animals such as snakes and kingfisher swallow small animals. Now students, few animals swallow small animals like snakes and kingfisher. They don't chew, they swallow small animals like snake swallow frog, look at the given picture, and kingfisher swallow a fish. Now students, let's move on to next eating habit of animals. Animals such as vulture, jackals and hyenas eat the flesh of dead animals. In this way, they help to keep our earth clean. Now students, animals like vulture, jackals, hyenas, bear, not bear, crow, this type of animals eat flesh of dead animals, and this type of animals are known as scavengers. These animals help to keep our earth clean by eating the flesh of dead animals. Now students, animals like bear and dog eat both plant and flesh of other animals. So this type of animals are called omnivores. So students, this was the eating habits of animals. Now look at the keyword that is given here, wild animals. So students, here definition of wild animal is given. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. So students, what's the definition of wild animals, or what are wild animals? Animals that live in the forest are called wild animals, and they are not tamed by us because they are very dangerous. So students, I hope you understood about plant eaters or herbivores, flesh eater or carnivores, scavengers and omnivore. Now students, animals that live in forest are sometimes killed by human beings. Human beings hunt wild animals for their recreation, food and many other things. So students, animals that live in forest are sometimes killed by human because human beings hunt them for their recreation, food and many other things. Due to this, animals like pandas, rhinoceros, rabbits and tigers have become less in number or endangered. So students, because of hunting wild animals, the number of animals like panda, rhinoceros, rabbits and tigers is now less. So many of them like Asiatic lion, dodo and great Indian hornbill no longer exist on the earth. They have become extinct. We need to stop hunting the animals to protect wild animals, because many national parks and wild sanctuaries have been made. This helps increasing their number. So students, main point is we need to stop hunting the animals. So my dear students, let's come to the summary of this chapter. Animals live on land, trees and in water. So students, where do animals live? Animals live on land, trees and in water. Some animals made their own home while some do not. They roam in the forest. Such, for example, giraffe, deer, these animals roam in the forest. Now next point, some animals eat plants, some animals eat other animals and some eat dead animals. So students, there are different eating habits of animal. Like some animals are plant eating animal. They are known as herbivores because they eat only plant products. Their example are giraffes, elephants, rhinoceros and zebras. Now students, some animals are flesh eating animal and they are known as carnivores because they eat flesh of other animals. For example, tiger, lion, etc. And students, some animals swallow small animals like kingfisher and snake. And some animals eat both plant product and flesh of other animal. This type of animals are known as omnivores. And animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers, and they help to keep our earth clean. So students, the example of scavengers are vultures, jackals and hyena. So this was the explanation of chapter number 4, wild animals, from your textbook. I hope you understood whole the topic very clearly by the help of this video. Now students, you have to discuss about wild animals and homes of wild animals according to their kind of place they live in. And you have to discuss about which animal lives on land, which animals lives on trees, and which animals live in water. You have to make a chart and you have to make columns of animals, and you have to mention place where they live in. And students, you have to discuss about the different eating habits of animals. Like, first of all, you have to write some some plant eating animal, it means herbivores. And then you have to write about flesh eating animals, that is known as carnivore. And you have to write example of scavengers. Okay, so students, you have to read the chapter and you have to underline the hard words from this chapter. You have to learn the keywords, definition, and practice to read the hard words from this chapter. Now students, I hope you enjoyed this chapter very much. Now students, to protect wild animals, we need to stop hunting the animals, because due to this the number of wild animals is less in number or endangered. More of them no longer exist on the earth. So students, we have to stop the hunting of animals. Now students, I am going to give you a fun activity related to this chapter. So students, are you ready for this fun activity? In this activity, you have to make a group with your friends, and each child chooses a wild animal character. Then the child acts like the animal by moving like it and making its call. The rest of the children have to identify the animal. So students, you have to do this fun activity with your brother and sister, your siblings, your father, mother. So students, I hope doing this activity you have lots of fun. Now students, meet you soon with exercises of this chapter. So, till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.